What's going on, guys? It's Eric from Yokohira Skateboards. We're back at the training facility, top secret. This is really not. It's Chino Hills Skate Park. This is where we always come. But today we're going to be making a video. It's not really a trick tip video. It's almost like a fine-tuned video. So we got a question asking, I have a 50-50 grind in my bag of tricks, like someone was saying, but how do you work on it and better fine-tune it? So today I'm gonna show you a couple different techniques that I remember using to help me get comfortable with doing the 50-50 grind. So today we're gonna jump into it, and well, hopefully after this you'll be more comfortable doing 50-50s, and you do them on rails, hubbas, ledges, transition, all that good stuff. So let's get into it. All right, so you want to get the 50-50 grind down a little bit better so you feel more comfortable. Well, the first place I learned as a kid was on a curb. So we got a curb right here, and for me, that's where I started. Most of the grinds that I learned, I think like 50-50, 5-0, couple slides, were all learned on a curb. And then I took them to maybe a box or something, because when I was younger, there wasn't a lot of skate parks around in the area. Thankfully now it's like a lot of places, especially in California, it seems like every city has a skate park, and most of them have ledges, so you can practice on those. But if you want to learn, just try to kick that rock out of the way. If you want to learn how to do 50-50s, you can start just like how I did. So we're gonna look at this curb. I'm gonna do it front side. I can do one backside too, but today I'll just do them front side. So when I approach a curb or a ledge or whatever I want a 50-50, I kind of come at a little bit of like a sharp angle. Then we're gonna ollie. And then when we ollie, you wanna lock both those trucks, and you wanna lock it on your heel side. When I say heel side, I'm a goofy foot rider, so my right foot is forward. So what I do is I lock my trucks and wheels onto this side. So as you can see, this is how I would stand on a board. My heels are right here. So it's locking in on the heel side. So that's what we're gonna do. So let me give a little demonstration. Hopefully I can get this first try, or Enzo's gonna laugh at me, make fun of me. And yeah, he's a mean guy sometimes. There we go. So we locked in heel side. Obviously it's not really gonna grind. Looks like somebody tried to wax it a little bit, but yeah, so I would say work on a curb for a while, and don't worry if it's not waxed, because right now just get comfortable and getting in that position. Get comfortable, just do a bunch of those, and then maybe wax a curb or find a curb that's waxed, or like a red curb that's painted that will slide, and then you can go in with a little bit more momentum. But right now with the step one, we're just gonna be looking at how to get in properly and just feeling more comfortable on the curb. So we're on it. Imagine this is like a 30 stair rail. We're chilling, we're getting off. But say if you don't feel comfortable getting up onto a curb, or your ollie's not quite there, what you can do is, see this line that we have right here, this blue line, you can practice on that too. So just ollie and just kind of try to aim heel side right on this line. Keep doing that. Do it on parking blocks. You can do a lot of things for like the first step. But in the next segment, let's take it to a ledge, and I'll show you kind of how to get more comfortable doing it on a ledge, and we'll do some other obstacles in the park. All right, so we found ourselves in the park. So let's talk about some obstacles that you can utilize what I showed you on the curb in the park. So we got this ledge right here. This ledge is, I don't know, maybe a foot tall, maybe a little higher. So we got this ledge. We can do some 50-50s on this. Behind Enzo, we also have this hubba. You can work on 50-50s on this as well. It's kind of small, but it'll work. I've 50-50 and done a couple tricks on it. You have rails at skate parks. Today, I'm not gonna hit the rail. Kind of got a back issue going, so we're not gonna touch this. I don't wanna die today. And then we also got a couple cool variations of ledges at this park that you can work on. So right up in the corner, it's kind of, I use it more as a manual pad, but you can also skate it like a ledge. It has a top part, a bottom part, so we can do that. So right now, we're gonna be focused on this. So we're gonna utilize everything I said out there. So I'm gonna come at an angle, I'm gonna ollie, but now I'm gonna have momentum. So I'll be able to grind across the ledge, and then I'm gonna come out the same way. So let's see if I could do that. First try, all in one go. So let's see. Enzo, should I drop in or should I just do a kick turn and come over here? What do you think I should do?
Go drop it.
You want me to drop in and then do it? Okay, so let's get over there. Okay, here it goes. Friday morning, 50-50. This one's for the Olympics right here. All the marbles. Team USA, we gotta land this 50-50 to get gold. It wasn't pretty, but we did it. I don't know why I came off like that. I'll do another one. Or I could just do it from right here. You'll like the commentary in the video, Enzo. That was for the Olympics right there. That was for the gold for Team USA, so I think we won it. Well, this is gonna be kind of harder. I'm cutting it at a little harder angle, but there we go. So this ledge is a little bit more difficult to skate because you kind of have to go from there. Skating it from here, not the best. We can look at this this hubba right here. Think I got a 50-50 on this one? All right, I'll try it. I'm gonna put the phone down for this one just because what if it goes sideways? Don't want to throw Enzo's phone, so here we go.
Both of them have momentum, so this one's obviously on the slow.
Sorry. Both 50-50s right there. This one was a little slower just because it's kind of the run up and all that. But that one has kind of on a slant, so you're gonna have a little bit more speed when you land. So both of them, I'm utilizing the same thing that I did in the parking lot. I'm locking in on that heel side and coming out the same way. So that's kind of like how I guess I practice. I just used like a curb, did it over and over. So once you get on the curb, you're not going to instantly be able to do it on a ledge. It's going to take practice and practice. So these are just tips in these videos to help you get more comfortable. So that's the point of these videos. Just get comfortable doing the 50-50, getting into it, and then also taking it to a ledge. And a lot of these tricks take hours and hours and hours and days and weeks to really get comfortable. So don't get discouraged if instantly you can't do it, because there has been millions of tricks. Well, not millions, but a lot of tricks. I don't have millions of tricks, but a lot of tricks that took a lot of work and a lot of effort, dedication. So just like anything in life, if you want to be good at something or you want to succeed, you can't give up. You got to keep going and going. And then finally, all the hard work pays off and then you can do the trick. But let's go to another obstacle. We'll meet you at the next one because I kind of in the mood to do 50-50s and I want to do one around a curve. So we're going to go to the C ledge. All right, so we're at the C ledge. So I can show you, it's kind of, call it the C ledge because it's kind of like a C, the letter, not the ocean. So there's two, I guess, pieces of coping on it. You got the bottom part and then you got the top part. Today we're gonna go with the bottom. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to 50-50 around this and just kind of explain this obstacle and like the process of 50-50ing it. It's the same as getting on to like the ledge, the hubba, the curb. The only difference is that when we're on here, the momentum's gonna shift us and you wanna really lock in on your heels and kind of lean a little bit back because that's gonna help you follow the coping and then we're gonna come off. So next couple of clips, I'm gonna try to 50-50 it. So hopefully we can get it done and then, I don't know. We'll talk about more 50-50s, I guess. All right, so there you have it, guys. That is kind of the way to fine tune a 50-50. Kind of like the basis of it is work on it on curbs. If you're not comfortable on the curbs, set up a line, put some sidewalk chalk down, then just ollie. It's all like this was all front side. So for me, lock in heel side. That's what I can tell you. And then gradually get into the stall, go with a little bit more speed, get more speed. You'll have more momentum, get comfortable just getting on top, get comfortable getting off. But yeah, that's just kind of a way to kind of fine tune the 50-50. We also do have 50-50 trick tips on our YouTube. So if you go to our YouTube channel, which you're probably already at if you're seeing this video, check out the How To 50-50. That will break down the trick a little bit in more detail and kind of explain a lot of stuff. And we'll go into the ollie and just kind of the building blocks to get the 50-50. This video was just to get more comfortable and kind of utilize other ledges and obstacles at the park, how to do it. But from me and Enzo here, we just like to thank you guys so much for the continued support. If you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do. We're always doing giveaways. We're always doing fun videos for you guys. We got Halloween coming up. We got Thanksgiving, Christmas. So we got a lot of cool videos we're gonna do for you guys, as well as giveaways. So the way to stay in the loop, stay subscribed to our YouTube channel. Subscribe if you aren't. Also follow us on Instagram. If you have any questions, leave a comment on any of our videos, post, and we do our best to look through them. And who knows, we might even make a video about a question that you have, or if you want us to touch up on an existing video, we're always down to do that too. So, yep. Oh man, can't even catch my board. But once again, I'm Eric from Yoka Her Skateboards, and Enzo's behind the camera. Thank you guys, and yeah, we'll probably skate a little bit. See ya.